Okay, now this is another important point. Complement of a complement is a given set itself. Okay. This statement means that if you take the complement of a set and again if you take complement of it, that means if you take the complement twice, then this will give you the original set back. Okay, so if you take the complement of a set 2 times, then that will give you the original set back. Next are some properties of complement of a set. So the first property is no elements are common in A and A complement. No elements are common in both of them. And if you try to recollect the definition, what we say that what is the definition of complement? All the sets elements in the universal set which are not in A. Okay, so by the definition itself, you can try to identify that A and A complement will have nothing in common. No, not even a single element will be common in them. Clear? Second one is both A and A complement will be subset of your universal set. Okay, both A and A complement will be subset of your universal set. Third one, complement of your universal set is empty. Empty set. So if you take complement of your main set, that is a universal set, then that will be empty. And the last is complement of empty set is universal set. These two are opposite properties of each other. That says complement of universal set is empty and complement of empty set is universal set. Are these 4 points clear? 4 properties clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now just read this 4 points and then we'll go further. Go through it. Go through it.
Sure.
Okay, now we can start with our exercise. Before we start, let's revise the 3 important topics that we studied. First one was subset. So if A is a subset of B, then what does this mean? All the elements of A are in B, or A is inside B. Second, we seen what is the universal set. The universal set is usually denoted by U, and in simple words, universal set is your main set, and rest other sets will be subsets of your main set. Okay, so universal set is your main set, and universal set is usually denoted by a rectangle. And the third one we saw complement of a set. Complement. So if you have a universal set U, then A complement are all those elements in U which are not in A. Okay, are these 3 concepts clear? Do you have any doubts in these 3 concepts?
No, sir.
Okay, so we can start with the exercise then. So set A is given A, B, C, D, and E, and set B is given C, D, E, and F. And set C is given B, comma D. Set D is given A, comma E. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Okay, so set A, B, C, D is given, and you have to say some statements will be given. Which of them are true and which of them are false? You have to say. Okay. First statement is C subset of B? Now this is set C and this is set B. Is this true or is it false?
False.
Why it is false?
Sure.
Unmute.
Because in the set B, there is no element B.
Correct. False. Because all the elements of C are not in B. This is not there in B. So this is false. Correct. Second one, A subset of D. So this is set A and this is set D. Is it true?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, it is not true. So this is false because just A is there. These remaining elements are not there in D. So it is not subset of D. So since all elements of A are not present in D, it is false. Okay, what about this?
False.
False. What about this?
True, sir. True.
True. Since all elements of D are present in A, so it is true. What about this one?
False.
False. Because all elements of B are not present in A. This one?
True, sir. True.
True. Since all elements of C are present in A. Okay, now look at this. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as your universal set. So what is U?
Natural numbers from 1 to 20.
1 to 20. And show that set X and Y using Venn diagram. So we have to show X and set Y using Venn diagram. So how will U be? U is a natural number from 1 to 20. So this is my universal set. Is this much clear? Did you understand the question first of all? What the question says? You take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as a universal set. Okay. And then you show set X and set Y using Venn diagram. Is the question clear? What has to be done? Yes or no?
Sure.
Okay. Now this is set X given to you and this is set Y given to you. These both the sets are given in set builder form. Okay. First thing is you convert the set builder into listing method. That is a listing form. First we do that. Okay. So this is my universal set, correct? Yes or no? And this is set X. Can you read it?
Set X is the variable X such that X belongs to natural numbers and X is between 7 and 15.
Which are all those X with between 7 and 15?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Will we add 15 as well? Look at this
No.
sign. No 15. So just 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15. Sorry, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So this is my set X. So now we have to show this using Venn diagram. So first we draw our universal set. Universal set is always represented by using a rectangle.
Square. Rectangle.
So this is U, and your X set X you denoted by using a circle. So we'll draw this by using Venn diagram. So first what you do, easy way for what you do is, since this is X, you write all the elements in X first. So 8, 9, 10, 11, anywhere you can write 12, 13, 14, and remaining elements you write it outside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is already there, 9 is already there, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is already there, 15 you write somewhere out. So this is the way you will represent it by using Venn diagram. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope there are no confusion, no doubts. Okay. Now we have one more summary. Can you read this?
Set Y is set Y is a variable Y such that Y belongs to natural number. Y is a prime number from 1 to 20.
So what are the prime numbers between 1 to 20?
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19.
Okay. Now we have to draw the Venn diagram. Okay. So this is a Venn diagram. Universal set. First you do the universal set. Universal set has everything with all elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And in this set Y, this is the set Y. In this, only these sets 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Is this Venn diagram clear? Okay, we'll do the third one and then we'll stop. Okay. So in this universal set is given 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set P is given 1, 3, 7, 10. You have to show the sets U, P, and P complement by Venn diagram. And the second is verify P complements complement. That means take twice the complement of P, and that you should get equal to P. You have to verify this. Is the question clear? Okay. So let's do the first part of this question. This is a universal set. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is set P. 1, 3, 7, 10. Can you tell me what will be P complement? So all those elements in U which are not in P. So see, 1 is there, 3, 7, 10. Now this should make it easier for you. Can you tell me?
2, 8, 9, 11, and 12.
So this is my P complement. And we have to draw the Venn diagram for it. So first you draw the universal set. This is the universal set. And this will be set P inside it. So the trick is first you always write the elements in P. So 1,
Yes.
3, 7,
7,
10.
and
And
10.
then you write the remaining elements outside. So 2, 8,
8,
9,
9,
11.
11, 12.
Can you hear me, Chris?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll stop here. We'll stop
Okay,
here.
sir.
And I will upload the video in the playlist which I sent you, and then from there, how much ever we finish today, write it down.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. I'll write it.
Okay, so we'll stop here and see you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.